Hey guys, Olga Soby here, and you might be wondering why am I starting a video with canvas full of paint. Well, I was just playing with some techniques and experimenting, and I don't really like my result, but I already used so much paint. It's a bigger canvas, it's a 16 by 20 canvas. I don't want to waste it, so I want to use this canvas and all this paint as my base coat and do a different pour on top of this. This way at least I'm gonna save some of it, right? So yeah, I think I want to do like a double ring pour. I'm gonna use the same colors so it sort of all blends in together, and I really hope it works well, because yeah, it will be a shame to waste such a good canvas and all the paint. So I'm going to use 2 silicone cups. If you want to check out those cups, they're available in my Amazon store. I'm gonna include the link in the description. So I'm gonna move this aside for now, so you can see me adding the colors. I think I want to make them like twins. I hope you can see well. Let's do this. If you want to check out the names of the colors that I'm using and how I mix my paint, I'm going to include all that information in the description. Alright, let's do this twin ring pour. So it's not going to be kiss pour, it's going to be a ring pour. I think I'm going to start somewhere here. Let's go. I need to really coordinate my hands here. Okay. Pretty good start. Please work out great. I like those colors. They're really nice. Coming out a bit differently. I also think I pour them with slightly different speed. It's really hard to hold hands and pour at the same time with the same speed. Look at that. I really like those colors though. You know what? I didn't think through. How am I gonna be removing them at the same time? Okay. 1. Okay. Whew, that was not easy, guys. Maybe do 1 ring pour at a time. My God. The color is so good though. Okay. I don't really like how my hand shifted a little, so I get a bunch of the drips here, but you know what, let's pretend that this is how it was supposed to be. All right, a little bit of torching to pop air bubbles and also to get some cells, and let's get it moving. best part is that I don't need to worry too much about the corners because I already have some paint on them, so if I don't cover the corners, it's no big deal. Okay, seriously like how the centers look. I see that I have some dry paint under like the top surface of the paint here, but I don't want to remove it because it's gonna break everything here. I just hope that it dries well. This corner here looks kind of weird. Huh. But overall, oh my god, those colors are just freaking amazing. I should use them more often together. You know what? I actually really like this composition right now. I like this line here in the center. I like the shape of it. It's nice and flowy, if I can say so. Okay, I take back what I said about the corners. I don't like how these two look, and also not this one. Okay, I was kind of hoping that having a base color gonna be the advantage, but not necessary. Okay, so I think I want to just use matching colors and cover those corners. I want to get rid of the white and yellow here. Alright, yeah, I think this is better. Let's do this corner. Okay, this kind of begin to come together. I really like how it looks now. I'm not too sure about this corner though. Should I leave it or should I get rid of it? Yeah, I think I should get rid of it because right now it doesn't fit on all four darker corners. And also, I don't like that it has some white here because it really takes away the attention from the center of the composition. So, let's try and fix this one too. Okay, this paint just doesn't want to move. I guess I have stretched it pretty well already. Alright guys, I finally feel like stopping. Did I work hard on this one, right? Well, that happens. You have to keep going till you're happy. And I just love this movement here. And to me, they look like they're dancing, you know, two floating forms of energy and the dancing and incorporating, and it's a very soft movement, but the colors and glowing are so energetic. I really like the composition. I actually like it this way better. I think it's going to be a vertical piece. So let me know what you think about it. I would love to hear from you. And if you ever fail on your canvas at the first time, you can always use it as a base coat and just keep going until you're happy. Now let me bring you for a close-up, and thank you so much for watching. Happy pouring, take care, see you next time.